Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sixsense and today we are going to make a R&B type beat using free guitar loop. But make sure you hit that like, subscribe and bell notification button and leave a comment after watching this video. So let's go. I started with this free guitar and flute loop from Cymatics freebie. The sample was pretty cool, but I tried to manipulate it and give it some variation. I wanted to give it some vintage sampling vibes, so I double clicked on the sample. After that, I right clicked here and opened it with Fruity Slicer channel. After that, I clicked on that chop icon and set it to the beat, so the sample chop can be on grid. After that, I just played with the pitch and pitched it down 300 cents or 3 semitones and adjusted the attack knob so the sampling can sound a bit more smooth. After that, I put some EQ to give it that old telephonic effect, and this is how it sounds now. After that, I just rendered it out and put some EQ and reverb. And this is how it sounds now. After that, I copied the rendered file and make it unique and pitched it down 12 semitones. I just EQ'd the low end to my liking. After that, I added this kick pattern. This simple two-step hi-hat pattern. And this is snare pattern. And this open hat. And to make my kick and 808 separate, I sidechained them. And to make it stand it out in the mix, I use distortion. This is how everything sounds now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.